It is lazy summer, but you don't have to be. It takes only 5 minutes quick makeup and hair to look better. And when you look better, you feel better as well. Hi, I'm Natalija, I'm 45, and this is how I look when I wake up. Sunken eyes, tired face, lifeless tight hair. But I will change it right now. Only fingers, no makeup brushes and sponges. Takes 5 minutes. Starting with face prep with KSECRET SPF 50. Here in Ireland most days are cloudy, but UV is still there. Can damage your skin and cause dark spots. So SPF 50 is a must-have for mature skin. Generously applying on face and neck. The even skin tone. I use MISSHA Perfect Cover BB Cream shade 21 that is a bit lighter for me, so I'm mixing it with Primark Bronzing Drops medium dark. Doing everything with fingers, warmth will be perfect for blending this glowy dewy mixture. Looks very natural, gives light coverage, perfect for a daily summer makeup look. Then multi-use blush stick from Catrice. pH reactive color changing blush. Swipe across my lips for that healthy pink color. Then tapping gently on my cheeks. Blend fast with fingers cause it changes color quickly, in order not to leave patches. Adding a bit to my forehead and bridge of the nose for natural flush. Face done, now eyes. Beautiful ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in shade Frog. Soft pale pink with multidimensional shimmer. Swiping with finger directly onto lid. Covering whole lid, this shade is perfect for mature small and hooded eyes to open them and give them more light. Now adding a pop of color with eyeliner and mascara. Royal Blue, to break that everyday boredom. HANDAIYAN Vivid Metallic Luster Liquid Eyeliner in shade 9, Pearly Blue. Thin felt tip, perfect for winged eyeliner. It is waterproof and looks very good with green eyes. Then quickly curling lashes and colored mascara, Royal Blue. ColourPop BFF Mascara in Blue Your Mind. The brush is perfect for both volume and length. Adds such a lovely bright blue color. Then brows, using one simple product to brush them and lift. Catrice Brow Slick Laminating Wax. Brushing upwards. Then lips, this cute lip gloss with keychain from Primark. PS Shimmery Lip Gloss, light pink, but shade is mostly clear with shimmer. Swipe on top of stained lips, gives me glossy, juicy lips. Now to fix the hair. Takes 1 minute. Brush it out, add a bit of my favorite Nuxe Floral Oil for slick finish. Smell is amazing. Separating a small piece of the front part of my hair and making a small ponytail that opens my face and makes me look younger. Adding cute earrings for the end, and that's it. That's it, only 5 minutes. Doesn't take long to look better and feel better too. Don't be lazy, give it a try. Let me know how you do your summer looks in the comments. Like this video and thank you very much for watching. See you soon, bye!